Gone are the days when wallpaper was just a single patterned roll used to cover a room from top to bottom. Now, it's all about making a statement, adding depth, and redefining your space with stunning designs. Wallpapers give you the perfect opportunity to express your personality and breathe new life into any room, whether it's a cozy bedroom, a vibrant living room, or even a small hallway that needs a little flair. The beauty of wallpaper lies in its flexibility. It's an easy way to refresh a space, and the variety of styles available today is truly endless. Want to make a small room feel bigger? Go for lighter tones with subtle patterns to create the illusion of more space. Think of soft pastels, neutrals, or elegant geometric shapes. These reflect light and make the room feel more open and airy. But maybe you've got a large living room or a spacious bedroom, and you want it to feel cozier. This is where bold colors and dramatic designs really shine. Deep tones like rich blues, charcoal grays, or dark floral patterns can add warmth and turn a large space into a more intimate, inviting area. Let's not forget about texture. Wallpaper is no longer just about visuals, it can add physical texture to your walls. Think of wallpaper with 3D elements, metallic finishes, or embossed patterns. When you run your hand across it, you can actually feel the difference, adding a touch of luxury and sophistication to your room. But why stop there? Accent walls are a fantastic way to introduce wallpaper without overwhelming a room. Imagine entering your living room and seeing a stunning botanical mural on just one wall, while the others are in neutral tones. It draws the eye, making that wall a focal point and a true conversation starter. One exciting trend in wallpaper design is the use of nature-inspired themes. Large murals showcasing lush greenery, serene beach scenes, or even majestic mountain landscapes can turn a room into a peaceful retreat. It's a perfect way to bring the outdoors in, especially if you're in a city and miss that connection to nature. Don't forget, wallpaper isn't only for large, open spaces. If you've got a small nook, powder room, or even the inside of a closet, you can get creative. Using wallpaper in unexpected places, like behind shelves or on the ceiling, can add a wow factor you wouldn't normally expect. What about installation? You might be thinking it's complicated, but these days, wallpapers come in peel and stick varieties that are easy to apply, even for beginners. No glue, no mess, and the best part? If you want to change things up later, they're removable and won't damage your walls. That means you can update your space as often as you like. So how do you pick the right wallpaper? It all depends on the atmosphere you want to create. For a calm, relaxing bedroom, maybe a soft floral or watercolor design would be perfect. Want to make your office more dynamic and inspiring? A geometric pattern or something with a pop of color could be the way to go. And for the kitchen or dining room, you might want to explore playful patterns, like vintage tiles or a tropical vibe. In the end, wallpaper is about personal expression. It tells a story, reflects your taste, and brings your space to life in ways paint alone just can't. The possibilities are truly endless. It's all about finding a design that resonates with you and your style. So, if you've been staring at the same plain walls for too long, why not make a change? A fresh wallpaper can turn your room into a cozy haven, a bold statement piece, or even a work of art. In my next video, I'll be sharing some of my favorite brands and tips on how to pick the perfect wallpaper for your space, so stay tuned.